In today's video, we are going to show you how to navigate your canvas in Sketchbook. Mastering this makes your drawing faster, smoother, and way more precise. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is, as you go to your canvas, you would see that there is going to be like a mouse wheel right here. This is only applicable if you're using the desktop, because on your tablet or mobile device, there's going to be the pinch gesture. Okay, so all I have to do, for example, you have one layer. You want to make sure that your layer editor is selected or opened, because if you don't, or if you can't find the layer editor, go to the Windows, click the layer editor, check on it so that the panel will appear, so that you are selecting the right layer. One easy way is select the layer, and of course you can move it anywhere on your canvas. Okay? And then when the wheel appears, you would notice that there is like an icon here, like a video icon that if you do, you see that it can shrink or it can collapse. So it's scaling from normal size, decreasing, or increasing. Okay? Not only that, on the mouse wheel, there is like an arrow wherein you can rotate counterclockwise or clockwise. It's up to you. Go back again to the wheel. You see this? So basically, there's a lot that you can do. Now, if you do that, that means you are locking the layer. We're going to add another image right here. I have added logo here in our canvas. Similar to the option earlier, you can do a lot of things. For example, if you want to decrease it and move it around here, it's up to you. Now, if you want to draw something, for example, we're going to go to the Windows, open the brush library, and we are going to create one here. Let's say I'm going to use a marker. Double click on it so you can control the size, the flow, and the wetness. Once you're happy, we're going to draw something here. For example, let's say we're going to draw something. After drawing your item right here, okay, the next thing is you want to make sure that the layer is selected, which is going to be this one. And then you see there is an arrow here. You can create a lasso for this, or if you want, you can, of course, rotate. You see this? You can basically do a lot of things. Now, another option that you can do is go to the image. You see there are multiple options here. You can rotate, mirror canvas, flip canvas vertically, and a lot more. But basically, this is going to be the easiest way to navigate in Sketchbook. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.